Hello learners, welcome to today's presentation on significance of title of the play of Bernard Shaw's play Arms and the Man. Bernard Shaw is a prominent dramatist of 20th century who belonged to Ireland. He was founder of Fabian Society or Fabian Socialism in London. He did not marry throughout his life. He was a celibate and he was a philosopher and philanthropist. And above all, he was a very witty and humorous man. Some of his remarks are well known in the field of literature. Once a beautiful woman proposed to him, saying that if they will marry, they will have beautiful children like her and witty like him. Bernard Shaw replied to her, saying that, Madam, we will be ruined if it be otherwise. Title of any work may be based on the name of the central character, and to give the example from Bernard Shaw's plays, the examples can be given of the play Saint John and Candida, which are the name of the central characters of this play. Some of the titles of his works are based on the central theme of the work. For example, Arms and the Man. Bernard Shaw has taken the title of the play Arms and the Man from the English translation of Roman epic poets Virgil's work, the Aeneid, which was an epic written in Latin language, but it was translated into English by famous poet John Dryden in 17th century. The dramatist has taken the title of this play from the opening lines of this translation that reads, Of arms and the man I sing. Title of this play, like other plays of Bernard Shaw, is based on the theme of the play, and the theme of the play can be worked out from the analysis of the words that he has used in the title of the play. The first word in the title of the play is arms. Arms implies weapons and ammunition that are used during the war. So war is one of the theme of this play, as this problem has affected the humankind the most, particularly during the 20th century. Bernard Shaw has made the battle between Bulgaria and Serbia that was fought in 1885 as the background to this play. The word arms also has another connotation, and it means the arms of a lover. So, another theme that is indicated in the title of the play is that this play centers on the theme of love, which is another issue that has affected humanity since Adam and Eve came on the earth. So, love can be considered as another theme of this play. But Bernard Shaw has treated these themes in a different perspective. Bernard Shaw has not glorified the theme of love and war like other authors and writers. He has projected the pragmatic and realistic view of war and love through characters like Blunt Shelley and Luca, because he feels that those soldiers fight for adventure, fight for their country, but first of all, they are human beings. And like any other natural human being, they would like to preserve their life as long as he can. That is what Bernard Shaw has projected through the character of Blunt Shally, who neither belongs to Bulgaria nor to Serbia and nor to their masters, Russians, but he belongs to a neutral country, Switzerland, and he is merely fighting because fighting is his profession. He is a mercenary soldier. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. I hope you have liked this presentation. Good day to all of you. In future days, you will watch similar presentations. Thank you very much. And good day to all of you.